Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello everybody. We know that xt is equal to 34 plus 11.1 into t minus 0.042 into t cube. This is the equation of motion of the particle. Now instantaneous velocity is simply dx by dt. This is the differentiation of x, that is the position with respect to time t. So this thing is known as instantaneous velocity. Now from this equation, if we differentiate x with respect to t, dx dt will be equal to 0. First of all, 34 is the constant, so it will be 0 after differentiation. And this is t, so it will be 11.1 minus 0.042 into 3t square. Now, from here we can see it will be equal to 11.1 minus 0.126 t square. Now, if t is equal to say 5 seconds. So, if t is equal to 5 seconds, we see that dx by dt is equal to 11.1 minus 0.126 into 5 square, and it will become 7.95, that much meter per second. So, in this way we can find out the instantaneous velocity of any particle at any time. That's it. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.